guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, if you're a complete beginner, do you know the difference between a landing page and a website? If you don't know, let me help you. What's the difference between the landing page and a website? So let us get straight to my screen. In fact, either if it's a website or a landing page, everything comes through the traffic. Now, traffic is nothing but the visitors who are visiting your website or landing page. The visitors are directly visiting your website. Now, in this case, website has different pages. Like website is basically used to build your brand awareness. If you're already an established business or if you're having a business, then you definitely need a website which will create a brand awareness. Definitely website will have about us page, contact us page, and product range, featured products, product descriptions, checkout page, order confirmation page. These are the typical information that is being collected on a website, and the naming conventions can change on different websites. Let me just show you an example over here of a website. This is an example of a website. Now, Leadpages is the software and it's a SaaS product, software as a service, and you can see there's different pages inside this website, the platform where it has got the features. And if you go here, the solutions it has, and it has got the templates, it has got the resources like the blogs, case studies, and health center and all those stuff. And here you have the pricing and you have the login details. And when you scroll down over the bottom, you can see the about us page, the contact us page, and the sole purpose of website is to create a brand awareness. So basically, website is interconnected pages where it's typically used for exploring the products and services the company is offering and also what the company is all about, and it is not solely focused on getting sales. Now, what about landing page? Let me show you what it is. Now, when it comes to landing page has a sole purpose. Its only aim is converting more leads into sales. Here, the traffic or the visitors are coming to your opt-in page. In this case, the landing page is an opt-in page or squeeze page, whichever way you can call it, because basically we are going to collect the visitors information. Now, what is the visitor information? Now, the visitor information can be either your email address, the name, the contact number, or the address, or whatever it might be. Now, from here, the visitor is moved to showcase a particular product or a particular service, and once they go through that product and service, then they are finally taken to the order form. Now, order form is nothing but where the visitors are going to enter the credit card or payment details or the name and shipping details and all those stuff, and from there they are going to make the payment. So this is what a landing page is. So let me show you an example of it. Now, when you come to my YouTube page over here, you can see there is get free training here under the description box, and when you click on this link over here, it takes to your particular landing page. Now you will see the difference between a landing page and a website over here. Now you can see in this landing page, there is no additional pages that are shown here like about us and contact pages and all those stuff. It's direct to the point and it's solely aimed to convert the visitors into leads and customers. Once you click on this get free training over here, you can enter the email address over here. So once you enter the email address and then you click on here to proceed, you will be taken to the product page. And from there, once you click on the product, you will be taken out to the order form. Now, if you want to build landing pages similar to this, then you can always check out my top recommended landing page builder in the description box below. So I hope you got real difference between what is a landing page and a website. And a website is just for the brand awareness. A landing page is solely focused on getting leads and customers. So if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get the very first notification whenever I upload my videos. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.